morning, this is Jackie from Nexus Property Management. I'm here at 61 Lamson Street in West Haven. This is a single family home with 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. This is the entryway from the front into the living room. Floors are nicely done, freshly painted. Goes into the kitchen. There's a gas hookups for your heat and cooking. Nice big kitchen. On the first floor, there is a full bath, remodeled, the shower, and a bedroom on the first floor. Nice sized closet. This is the entrance from the back of the house. We'll go upstairs to the other 3 bedrooms. There's a full bath up here. Again, floors are nicely done. 1 bedroom here. Got 2 windows. Nice sized closets. Tall ceilings. Full bath up here. Second bedroom up here. And then the 3rd bedroom. We'll head back down to the finished basement. Lots of storage down here. And there is hookup for washer and dryer, hot water heater,